Guys, then in my other video I talk about the test, how to insert test, how to manipulate test. This video is about the shapes, so let's get started. I will delete this, then come here. This is about the shapes. Everything you want to do about shapes, this is where you can choose to draw anything, shapes, or import shapes, every or you choose shapes. So come here, which one do I want to use? I'll use circle, or I can import another one too. So shapes again, then I'll choose this. Now I want to insert my background, so I'll go to from gallery. I'll choose my background. Now you can see the background is covering the shapes, so I'll go here and drag the background to the bottom, and I'll make this an invisible, and I'll block this. I'll lock it so that if I'm moving other shapes, it will move as well. So now I come to my shape. What do I want to do here? I want to insert image. So I'll come to texture, pick image, add image. This is how I set image. Also this, come to texture, use this image here. So come to edit, and change the size. Want it to maintain the ratio. I don't want the image to duplicate. So I choose the scale of the image. The rest of these things I've spoken about them in my other videos, so you check them out. So that is all for this video. Thank you. Subscribe and comment. All right, see you in my next video.